Good day, Pinay Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we are looking at two Iron Man mystery boxes here from Cosbi. This one is from Iron Man 3 Cosbi Bubblehead Collection. And these are the Iron Man armors you can get from out of this. Okay, we want to get the Chase mystery figure, and this other one is Iron Man Part 1. Okay, and the mystery is also black. So this is Larry's items. Larry, good luck. I hope you pull an Iron Man. Uy,
There's plastic.
there's plastic.
Stand.
So we purchased this in Singapore. Blue Iron Man. What's this one?
This is
The blue one. What's the color? This one. What? It's called the Iron Man MK XXX. Ano ha? Triple X lang ha. Okay. Later. Sige. Lagay mo siya dyan. Bubblehead. The other one, let's see. One is armor and the other one is with the face. So let's see.
Hindi Jason.
Hindi change, regular lang. Uy! It's a stand. Okay, what's that?
Kita mo yung mukha eh. Pwede yung card eh.
Anong card na yun? Ano siya? Lumilipad.
Lumilipad yung cute.
Lumilipad. Ang cute! Oh, guys, ang cute. Oo. Tini, parang nagdadive sa tubig din eh.
So cute.
Ito pala siya. Ito yan, that one in the middle. Which is Iron Man Mark 7 suit up.
Ano?
Ito. Ay, ano ba siya? Okay, Larry's building it. Ito, may stand oh. Okay, let's see if Larry can build it. Ito, peg. Nanginginig-nginig pa. Okay. Okay. Ang cute na nagmimili pa din, ha? Ayan. I put it there. The white. Okay, so that's it. People, we have our Iron Man suiting up and Iron Man already suited up blue. Ooh. So, thank you for watching, guys. Share your thoughts in the comments. Bye-bye.